What's up, guys? Just came directly. Uh-oh. Whoa. That was weird. What's going on there, guys? I rebooted it twice. Oh, the diff might be too tight. Yeah, the diff's too tight, guys. But let's see if it still drives. I'm just on 75%. I'm not gonna burn it too hard. All right, let's warm it up a little. Let's see what happens. Diff's definitely too tight though. I mean, last time I ran it, I brought it back in, you know, inspected it, and the diff slipper thing was way loose. So I'm like, whoa, it looked like it was about to like start falling apart. So I did tighten it up a little. Just probably slightly over tightened it, you know. Just slightly. It's still not bad. It's actually running good. Look how freaking fast it is. Now it's starting to smooth out a little. Yeah, and the pitch of these gears are weird. Look, there we go. Yeah, not bad. Okay. I like how it sounds, actually. It sounds different because of the gear cover too. Look, this is the RPM gear cover. See that? They resonate differently. Ooh, it's gonna cog bad now. I'm gonna gear this thing down a little. That's the thing. If I gear it down a little, I'll cog less. And it will just make more sense for the power that I've got. Dude, it's fun though. It's fun. Yeah, I cut away a little more of the body to clear the gear cover. They're wider, longer, if you will. So they stick out further. So you gotta trim your body to accommodate them. But this is a runner trash body anyway. I don't care. So we're a shelf queen, I get it. This is not. This is not. Dude, it sounds like it needs lube or something. I think I'm looking at a tranny rebuild. I think I need to go through and re-grease it, inspect it. I bet I could get this smoother than it is. I really think so. God, it's got a lot of power. A lot of power. So with the diff being tighter though, does it track? It tracks weird. I think it's too tight. Comes out of a corner fast, but you don't need it all. You don't need all that. Simply try the diff slightly looser than this. It's a weird design. Yeah, these original. It's a weird design. So do guys convert them over to like octa pads or whatever? Octa lockers? That'd be sick on one of these, like a more efficient. I don't know. How do you do it? I want to build a world's car, kinda. I do, like I love them. But dude, for the money, dude, it's hard to justify for the money that they're still bringing. Brand new, you know what I mean? Over 400 bucks for the kit. I can build 2 Kyoshos for that. I can build a PR and a half for that. You guys, those PR kits are really good. I mean, I've only built one, but it was an amazing experience, and the other reviews they get are really, really good. Don't gotta haul butt. Still fun. This thing's fun, for sure. This thing's fun. Now again, I'm just kind of cruising it at 75. I just don't want to overcook this thing. Plus the air gets under the bumper and it comes up when I run it at full power. I'm taking my homie's advice and not switching it without rebooting. I don't want to risk a runaway electronic situation. Runaway car due to an electronic glitch when you do that. Taking that advice, it's better to be safe than sorry. And it makes sense to me, for sure. I mean, how's the stance on this? Is it pretty good? Yeah. Look at the stance on that. It's freaking like money. It's like right on, look. Little towing in the front, 1.5 in the front, like 1 in the rear. It's pretty solid, pretty dialed, look at that. Front right is a little too far in. Toe looks good though, but I can come out like 0.3 on that front right. I just like to run cars and talk shit, you guys. That's what I do. Taking it pretty easy on the trigger here, on the throttle. It's very enjoyable to drive. Very enjoyable. And if you want the power, it's there. I'm easing into the power. I don't want to cook the tranny, especially the way it sounds. Like, I think it needs lube. Sounds okay, but it could be better. And yeah, my wing's crooked. My wing is a little bit off kilter, but I might get a new wing. I've seen some cool builds with some modern wings on. They look really cool. And then that J Concepts mount design. That's pretty cool. Stuff looks cool. I'd do that to this. Keep it blue and white themed. New body though, new wing. Thing's tough. Oh, this freaking wing giving me problems. Uh-oh. Now something came out. Fucking diff. It's probably blown. Okay, shutting her down. Hope she's okay.